This Sunday morning, I will just go straight to church. Any form of problem, distractions, I am ready for you people today. Fully ready. I must get to church. I will know why or any.
Telling you that I will catch you. But I told you that you should stop cheating on me. That anytime I catch you, I will give everlasting man. Is that not what I told you? You thought I'm joking with you. You thought I was joking with you. You know what it is?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
This is acid. You thought I was joking. You are running. You are running. Wait for me.
Acid! This Sunday morning. Oche, you said I should call on you in times of trouble. Now I was on my way to church this Sunday morning. They almost poured me acid. It's same you that said if I sense any problem, I should change it to my white and white and call upon you. Now I'm calling you now. Come and take me to church successfully. This problem must end because I'm ready for them. Oche! Oche!
I get way too.
Is that an insult or a compliment?
Okay, any of me tell look am o. You no tell me say na 3 bag of cement now I wan carry o.
I think something is really wrong with you.
Okay, this one no be something is wrong with you. Oga, I dey lose strength o. I don dey tire o. E be like say you find your way o.
Do you know where we are in the sky? Do you know how many feet above the sky that we are now? You are telling me, go. I'm my way to where? Oche, Biko, Oche.
What have I done to become?
Why?